Okay, we will start with the clip tool. So the clip tool to cleanly create street segments using the Upper West Side polygon, clipping Manhattan streets within the Upper West Side boundary, cuts off dangling portions of streets for display purposes in maps. So on the analysis toolbar, we get the clip tool. So the input, we will put Manhattan streets, and clip tool is clip feature is like a cookie cutter, which is the Upper West Side, and then we will say Upper West Side, Manhattan streets, Upper West Side. Upper West Side streets, and then click Run. So we will close the tool when it's running, and then we have the streets that's just within the Upper West Side, and we will turn off the original everything. So Upper West Side, that's the street within it. So, and those are the streets, because we cannot see, it's right here, there. So all the streets and only in there. So, okay, then we will save the project and we will move on to merge. So merge. So sometimes we have to merge two or more layers into a new single layer. So for example, we built one water feature class from several adjacent water feature class. So if you digitize it, that you will have maybe one and one, but you want to combine them. So merge means you combine them. So you union them. So New York City is made up of 5 boroughs, and each of which also a county whose water features are downloaded separately from the US Census Bureau. And the data is prepared for us. So the map, New York City water includes separate water features for each borough. Okay, I'm not familiar with New York, but we will just do the GIS work. But if I'm not familiar with, I can just look at the Google map. And next we will use the merge geoprocessing tool analysis, and let's find merge. It should be just somewhere here, and if right here. Okay, if you look at the image, so now we did not get an image. So let's see. Nope. If you have a question, yeah, you click this. I would rather they have a something image here. So like the old version ArcMap, and you can click and you can see the simple description instead of you go to a new website. If you don't have internet, you still can use it, right? You still can do GIS work. And the merge tool, the input data set will be the 5 water data sets as shown, and merge rule will be first. Then the output data set will be New York City water that we can save in Chapter 6 GeoDatabase. So that we will select everything, click Add. And then output data set, we will save it in tutorial. No, GeoDatabase. Okay. Then we will say NYC water. Okay, click save. Save. Okay, so we put everything here and then here. And then first, merge rule first, and then I think everything is set, click run. And now we will change the fill color New York City water to blue and zoom to the layer. So, and it's successfully, and we will just do water, and then we have the whole thing instead of just individual one by one. See? 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5 there. So, okay. Project, go to save, and then we will move on. And we open the attribute table for New York Water. Click yes, and then New York City Water. And the resulting water feature class has 330 records, one for each water polygon. Merge does not erase boundaries. The polygon boundaries between water features such as the rivers in this data are still present. So the chosen symbology doesn't draw the boundaries, so they don't appear on the map. So if you want to remove the boundaries, say to create a single polygon for the East River or East River, we must do a dissolve using the name field. Anyway, open the New York City waterfront parks map, and which is right here. And we will merge the separate feature classes for each borough into one feature class named waterfront parks. So, and then which field color green and to GeoDatabase. So those are the front water. Okay, then we will go to merge. And for the data, we will do all of them. Click add, and then for this we will save in GeoDatabase 6. It will say NYC water from parks. Okay. So 2018. So if you want to put the date. And first, okay, everything, and then we just run. When you merge something, everything has to just like you combine all the rows together. So, for example, this one, the row, you have 27, and you add everything and the water parks stuff. Then we add everything together. It's just like you adding the row. When you join table, you join the column. But when you do the row, we call it union in SQL language, like doing the table. So when you do like union or here we say merge, so the column field has to match. So their table should be similar. If we open everything here, so you see the fields are the same, the columns are the same. So their columns are the same, so then it's easily that you add more rows onto it, okay? That's the difference between join a table, you add more column for joining table, but when you do the union and the merge here, not union, sorry, you do the merge, then that is more you adding the rows, okay? We will talk about union when we were there. So now we will move on, and I think I will save everything. And we will do append firehouses and police stations to EMS facilities. The city agencies might track facilities locations in separate feature classes and tables, but an emergency services office wants them in one feature class for better planning. We will use the append tool to add features to an already existing feature class. So considering that both have the same attributes or same schema, so now we will add firehouses and police station points to a feature class named EMS. Okay, open here, and we will have the emergency. EMS is emergency medical services, which contains the emergency services facilities in New York, and we will zoom to EMS facility layer. Right click on it, and we can just do zoom to layer, and then we will append features. So to append features, here we will use append tool to append how firehouse and police stations to already existing EMS points. Each layer has the same table field structure. So we will open the EMS facilities attribute table and we will see that there are 34 records here, not 300. And now we close the table. I want to save it here so we can see what things added here, okay? And then we will do is that on the analysis tab, we will do append analysis and we will do append. Let's see, where's append? Okay, append is right here. So then this is the append button, and input we will do firehouses and in the geoprocessing pane for input datasets, we will browse to chapter 6 but we will add firehouses first. Okay, so input feature firehouses. So input feature firehouses and police stations. Okay, firehouses and police station and police stations. Oopsies. Firehouses, police station, click OK. There. And target data set, it will be EMS facilities. Okay. And then input schema must match with the target schema. Click Run. And we will see how it appended there. Okay, now we will see, yep, something added here, right? Okay, then we close it out. So, yeah, there are something added here. And we can put databases, we can put firehouses, and then police stations. Okay, those are the dots. Okay, drag it here. Alright, and then let's see, where's the police station? Okay, police station is here. And okay, so for the append, you see right now, it was firehouses was 219 and open attribute table 73. 219 firehouses and police station is 73. You add them together is 2292 and you plus 34 and 62326. Isn't it 326? Yeah. So it's everything added together. It just like we combine them all together, but those are the points data. And we zoom in, now we zoom into the EMS facility layer. We open the EMS facilities attribute table and we scroll to see the added fire houses and police stations there. So now we can just save our projects and move on. And we see the data type. If we see the data type, it's similar. Everything is the same actually. See, the column never changes. The column is not changing. It's more like append. Okay, let's compare a little bit more. It's more like appended there. See? Okay. It's more like appended there. Let me close this out. Okay. And check it out. Yeah, so you see the table, it's very similar if we drag it one to one and it match. Okay. That's why I like floating. See? Everything matches. You have to it's more like the previous one for append and union we haven't talked about it, but this one was like merge. You put things together, but this is dots that you use append and merge, that you put things together Okay, and we will do intersect next. So we will continue to talk.